In the bustling universe of dieting, where trends bloom and fade with the seasons, the ketogenic diet has sustained a remarkable tenure at the forefront of effective weight management strategies. Dubbed the keto diet, it swaps sugars for fats, ushering the body into a state of ketosis, where fat becomes the primary fuel source. This shift not only ignites metabolic changes, but also promises significant weight loss. However, diving into keto isn't as simple as replacing breakfast toast with slices of avocado. For those contemplating this high-fat, low-carb journey, understanding the nuance can mean the difference between success and frustration. Embarking on a ketogenic diet doesn't necessitate a one-size-fits-all approach, especially when it comes to your daily carbohydrate limit. While the standard recommendation often hovers around 20 to 50 grams per day, individual metabolism and lifestyle can significantly impact what works best for you. Begin by assessing your personal goals and activity level. More active dieters might need slightly more carbs for energy. Gradually adjust your intake and closely monitor how your body reacts to find your unique carb sweet spot for optimal ketosis and weight loss. When diving deeper into carb counting, it's not just the quantity, but the type of carbohydrates that matter. Prioritize nutrient-dense, fibrous vegetables and low glycemic fruits to maximize nutritional intake while staying within your carb limit. This not only supports sustained energy levels, but also enhances overall health. The cornerstone of any ketogenic diet is fat, but not just any fat will do. High-quality sources like avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil can enrich your diet with essential nutrients while helping maintain heart health. It's crucial to balance out these monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats with saturated fats from sources like coconut oil and butter for optimal health benefits. Equally important is the avoidance of trans fats, often hidden in processed foods, which can sabotage your diet and health. Incorporating a variety of fats not only keeps your meals interesting, but also ensures a broader range of nutrients, vital for your body's well-being during ketosis. Combining intermittent fasting with the ketogenic diet can create a powerful synergy that boosts weight loss and enhances metabolic health. Many find that eating within a set window, such as 16 hours fasting with an 8-hour eating period, naturally reduces calorie intake and simplifies meal planning. However, it's important to tailor the fasting schedule to fit your daily routine and energy demands. Start with shorter fasting periods and gradually extend them to suit your comfort and lifestyle needs without disrupting your metabolic balance. Hydration is critical on a ketogenic diet, as the initial loss of body water can lead to dehydration. It's advisable to increase your water intake alongside crucial electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium to support bodily functions and prevent side effects like keto flu. These electrolytes are pivotal in maintaining muscle function and nerve conductivity. You can supplement electrolytes naturally through diet with nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and avocados, or consider electrolyte supplements if needed. Finally, personalize the ketogenic diet to fit your lifestyle, taste preferences, and nutritional needs. This customization not only enhances adherence to the diet, but also makes it a more enjoyable and sustainable journey. Experiment with different recipes and meal timings to find what works best for you. Remember, the ultimate goal is to find a version of keto that you can stick with long-term, paving the way for sustainable weight loss and overall health improvement. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and click the link below to get started.